In this video, I will introduce you to the procedure of wall mounting an outdoor AP using an angle-adjustable mounting bracket. Prepare appropriate tools and protective gear before installation. If the installation position is high, only professionals wearing protective gear can perform installation. Attach the base plate against the wall and adjust its position properly. Use a level instrument to ensure equilibrium. Mark positions of the mounting holes with a marker. Use an 8 mm drill bit to drill 45 mm to 50 mm deep holes in the drilling positions, and hammer the expansion bolts into the installation holes until the flat washers are completely attached to the wall. Then, remove the nuts, spring washers, and flat washers in order. Hang the base plate on the expansion bolts and use a wrench to fasten the flat washers, spring washers, and nuts in order. Use 4M4 multiplied by 14 hex socket screws to fasten the AP mounting bracket to the AP. Remove the topmost screw from the base plate. Hang the AP mounting bracket onto the base plate, and then tighten the screw until the screw passes through the hole of the horizontal scale plate. The screw should not be too tight. Loosen the M6 screw in the vertical direction. Adjust the AP's angle in the horizontal and vertical directions based on the scale plate. And then tighten the M6 and M8 screws. Check the installation and request qualified commissioning personnel to power on and commission the AP.